Hello everyone, I Manisha Sinha welcome you to the new series of the video made for Standard 4 Chapter 2 Part 1. The topic of the chapter is Managing Files and Folders. Students, we will going to learn in this chapter features of Windows 10, starting Windows, the Start button, this PC folder, File Explorer, files or folders and their operations using context menu and what is shortcut. Students, a computer is a machine that cannot think on its own and requires instructions from us. The most important software of a computer is its operating system. It is a medium through which we can interact with the hardware using software. It controls all the activities of the computer. There are various types of operating system such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Windows is a graphical user interface, GUI pronounced as GUI, between a computer and its user. It has been developed by Microsoft, the world's leading software. Here are few examples of Windows. You can see the picture of Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. As we know, computer is made up of two components, hardware and software. To run the computer hardware, we need the software. Operating system is the interaction between the user and the hardware. And Windows is the basic operating system which we use nowadays. Windows 10 is the latest version of the Windows. Today we will going to learn about features of Windows 10. The first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 1.0. Since then, many versions of the Windows operating system have been released. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. The Windows 10 operating system has become very popular because of its following features. So here are the features of Windows 10. First, attractive and easy to use. Improved start menu. Search tool Cortana supports multiple desktops. Window snapping. The new browser Edge. Windows stores. So, thank you.